Welcome to the peaceful ocean, a serene world under the starlit sky tonight. We embark on the special journey to tuck our sea animals friends into bed. Would you like to join us? Let's discover who is still awake. Hello, clownfish. After a day full of hide and seek with friends, they are feeling sleepy. Let's gently say goodnight. Good night, clownfish. Sweet dreams in the coral bed. Hello, crab. He's been scuttling around the ocean floor all day. And now he's ready for rest. Let's tuck the crab in and whisper, "Good night, little crab. Rest your weary legs." Hello, dolphin. She's been gracefully leaping through the waves all day. And now she's ready to settle down. Good night, dolphin. May your dreams be as joyful as your jobs. Hello, octopus. After exploring the nooks of the coral reef, it's time to have rest. Good night, octopus. May your 8 arms embrace a night peaceful sleep. Hello, seahorse. He's been gracefully drifting through the water all day. Now it's his time to rest. Good night, seahorse. Drift into your sea of dreams. Hello, sea lion. He's been splashing around having fun all day. Now sleepiness creeps in. Good night, sea lion. May your dreams be filled with ocean plan. Hello, shark. She's been patrolling the ocean depths vigilantly. Now it's her time for a well-deserved rest. Good night, shark. Relax in the calm of the deep blue. Hello, turtle, gliding through the currents all day. Now he's ready to close his eyes. Good night, turtle. May your dreams be as grand as your ocean voyages in the tranquility of the ocean night. Each creature now rests under the moon's gentle glow. We say goodnight and leave this beautiful underwater world, hoping to meet these wonderful friends again tomorrow.